Right everyone, so I've been working on my machine again and I had it all in bits. Finally got it back together the past couple of days. I've been routing all my wires through this trunking and bringing it across over to here to the controller. Yeah, this is just temporary, but I managed to get all my axes running again. Let's give it a quick test. Yeah, so I've got a few projects on this machine. Once it's done, one of them's making the auto tool change for this machine. So hopefully another couple of weeks I should have it up and running. I've got to get all the sensors put on. I'm gonna have proximity sensors on X, Y, and Z. I've got one hooked up here, but it's not been wired into the controller yet. Yeah. So this is what the proximity switch will sense off this. Needs to be clamped down. Yeah. So if you're interested, subscribe. And I made this past couple of days as well. Just a log burner. And this gives out plenty of heat. It was an old compressor bottle. Plenty of heat for me.